Hey, yo, what's up, people? It's your boy Fucking back again with another video. So today, if you are new to the channel, I'm your host Evan Songwai, and today I'm going to talk about how to install or how to set up Cloud Code for Windows 10 in the Kenyan version. If you have tried to set it up, maybe you have encountered this problem where it tells you that it cannot install it. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you will be able to do it. This is a live stream, maybe it's going to be more than 1 hour. So I want you to grab your seat and take your time and be ready, because this is going to be a rough journey. Because this video I'm going to explain it to everyone, whether you clearly understand what is Cloud Code or you don't know what the fuck it means. But this video is for beginners until even also for people who already know what is Cloud Code. So basically, if you already know what is Cloud Code, bear with me. Let me explain to the less people who are familiar with it. So Cloud Code is just an agentic coding tool which is developed by Anthropic. It operates directly within your development environment, such as maybe your terminal. You can use it on your terminal, an IDE, integrated the development environment, like let's say Visual Code or other alternatives like Visual Code. Maybe you can download it as a desktop app, or maybe use it on the web browser. It is used to act as an AI-powered coding partner. Unlike traditional chat-based AI assistants, Cloud reads and redistributes your entire code base. So basically, like the difference between Cloud Code, it is because it is made to become your partner in coding. So there was this problem where you wanted to code and you use this sidebar AI, or maybe in the Visual Code, or maybe IDE, any IDE you use, but it won't integrate with your entire code base. It will only look at the file that you have opened, and that is somehow less efficient. So this cloud code, it goes through your entire code base. It understands your project structure and dependencies, and edits entire files, all files, and run commands and manage Git workflows. If you understand what is Git, because you are a developer. But if you are new and you don't understand what is Git workflow, you can comment down below. I will explain that on the next video, or maybe the next live stream. So basically, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please subscribe. So let's head to it. So it also let me give you some. It also writes tests and it fixes bugs, all through natural language instructions. So this is basically ChatGPT but for coding. So it is now like lovable, but lovable which you can give clear instructions on what you want your code to look like or to do. It uses advanced models because Cloud Code itself is just a tool. And it uses models, like let's say you can use any kind of model, either it is online, it is the cloud, or maybe offline. If the online one, you need APIs which you can pay, but they are free tiers like Gemini. If you don't understand this, comment down below. Comment down below models. I'll make a video explaining on the models, the free models, and how you can run your models in your own machine without relying on ChatGPT or maybe Gemini or cloud models. So like the Opus 4.6, Amazon Edge 4.6. So you basically describe the task, and like let's say you say refactor authentication to use JWT, and it will do that. And Cloud Code plans, execute, and reviews your entire self-correct until the task is complete. It maintains persistent memory, like the cloud.md file, which supports automation through custom commands, hooks, and model context protocol, the MCPs. for developers who understand what I'm talking about. But if you don't understand, comment down below MCP. I'll make a video explaining on that. For integrating tools like GitHub, Slack, or Jira. I know you know GitHub. What is GitHub? It's just a repository where you can. It is just a hosting. It's just let's say a storage where you host your. You understand that? If you don't understand, comment GitHub down below. I'll explain further on that. Slack is just a software which is used for communication with your peers. Excuse me.
Let us sacrifice out it.
Excuse me. Okay, back again to the video. That was just an alarm telling me that it is 3 p.m. So I guess that you're understanding. If you don't understanding, please, okay, if you already know what is Cloud Code, please jump ahead, because I will be explaining what is Cloud Code. Then I will be explaining everything on how to set it up. It is currently there's a problem because Cloud Code is just new to the market. It has been here for almost 2 months for us developers who got the beta version. So the key features that Cloud Code has is it has project level access. It works across multiple files and directories. That is one of the useful things that it is doing, because you can iterate your entire files at the same time. They will look how can I say, homogeneous. It has autonomous execution. It can run shell commands, because I told you it can run on your computer, it can run on an app, it can run on your terminal. You can use it. It is very versatile, and it changes git commit changes, and it open pull requests. So you can basically integrate it with Git, and it will work directly as your coding partner. You don't need partners. You don't need your bro codes to help you build applications nowadays. So you can literally do something which basically was not possible to be done by one person. You can literally do it without a team of 10 people. So the other feature that it iterates into Cloud Code is we have multi-environment support, because as I told you, it is available on the terminal. It is available as a Visual Code extension, JetBrains plugin, but this is a beta version, and you can use it as a desktop app. You can literally download it, or maybe if you don't want a lot of things, you want to use it on the web, you can basically do that. There's a web version. So the use cases, it is used in refactoring. Refactoring is just basically if you have a file or maybe an application and you want to change some things in it, so basically you can refactor it. Refactoring is changing the code to fit a certain thing. You're just changing the code. So basically you can debug when they are maybe as I see the same self-explanatory. I don't need to explain if you're a developer. But if you're new here, comment down below what the fuck is debugging. Comment debugging, I'll explain more on that. Then the next thing is test generation. Test generation, we have dependency updates, we have documentation. It can document your entire code or your entire file, and even building full application from natural language prompts. The problem with these large language models, it is because let's use ChatGPT 5. I have used ChatGPT 5.3 codex. I paid for it. But basically, in the beginning, I was using it as a developer. We are allowed to have access, limited number of people. When it comes out, those who have the information can use it before it is in the public. But when it comes in the public, like these high models, people have to pay for it. The problem when I was using this 5.4 or 5.3 codex, the problem is that it does not refactor the entire code at the same time. So it has some misalignments, and that's basically what this Cloud Code does. You might be asking, how is it different from everything? How is it different from Cloud Code AI chat or these large language models? Look, Cloud Code lives inside your project, not in your browser. No. instead of going to the browser or maybe downloading the cloud AI chat to just use, but it is basically plugged into the machine or into their servers. You are basically using it in your own project, and it doesn't just suggest code. It writes and runs and tests it to make sure that it is perfect, because basically it is your partner. How is it different? How is it Cloud Code different from Casa? You might be asking me, because most people use Casa and Cloud Code AI chat. You see, both are agentic. Cloud Code and Casa. But Casa emphasizes the real-time code review and approval, while Cloud Code defaults to higher autonomy, letting the AI take initiative and only asking for input when needed. So, is it free? For beginners and for the brokies who are in the comment section saying, is it free? Is it free? Cloud Code requires a cloud subscription, like a pro or a team, for full access. Some features like the client interface or the Visual Code extension may support third-party providers, but full agentic capabilities are tied to Anthropic's paid plans. So the bottom line is, cloud is the future of vibe coding. Maybe it is just an extension of the future, because we are in where we need okay. See, vibe coding started as coding from a large language model. Then it went into these SaaS applications like Lovable, which allows you to code entire applications by just prompting. But it doesn't go into specific details. Now, Cloud Code is just an agentic tool that will help you to refactor your entire files at the same time using just prompt. So, you see, where AI doesn't just help you to write code, but it does it for you safely and intelligently from your terminal. That is basically how Cloud Code operates. So let's head straight into how can we make Cloud Code, or how can we set up Cloud Code on our computers. So basically, the first thing I want you to do is to come to the Cloud Code documents. Search for Cloud Code docs. It will literally bring you into the documents, into the Cloud Code docs. I saw that people were struggling to install this, but I'm going to help you out. Mgongo inauma. Let me show you how it looks like. Cloud Code docs. You have to come here. Then the next thing, come to this setup page. You will see this. We are going to use the Windows subsystem for Linux, because it was going to give us better results if you are able to use it on Mac or Linux system. In order to do that, the first step is we are going to install the Windows subsystem for Linux. Installing the Windows subsystem for Linux, all you have to do is open PowerShell and administrator mode by right-clicking the selective run administrator. Enter this command. Write command prompt. Click on that. In your command prompt, type WSL -- install. When you do that, by default, it is going to choose to install Ubuntu distribution, which is exactly what you want. After the installation finishes, I want you to create your user account, put in some account which is going to be specific to the Linux installation on the Windows. You will see a new password. What you'll need to do is just put the password here. So the characters will just show up when you type. Okay, the password. The password will not show up, but basically know that it will go. It is going to be registered. I want you to get to that place so we can continue on. So basically, let me show you if you are lazy, because I know some of you are lazy and don't want to do it by yourself. We'll be installing it together. So the first thing is go to Claude, go to your search base, so your search Windows search engine, type cmd. It is going to bring this command prompt, but what I want you to do is I want you to come here, run it as an administrator. Once you do that, it is going to open. Let's wait for a minute. I'm running a lot of applications on my potato machine, so but it's going to take some time, but it is going to register. If you wanted, I will show you how to run these large language models on your local PC, like the way I'm doing this. I'm running my local on my local machine these large language models. I told you that what you should do is type WSL space hyphen dash dash, then install. So it is running. It should be running on your distro. I think there's a problem somewhere because I already installed it, but you can do it on your machine and it is going basically to work. Let's try it again. Maybe there's a problem somewhere. I think I already installed it. I think I can't install it twice. But basically, don't be afraid. Just a simple error. And if you are a developer, you already know that is why debugging exists. How many ads? So WSL slash. I don't know why it is not working. Actually, it should be working. Yeah, it is already installed. That is what it is trying to tell me. So basically, that is it. Hope you're there. If you have any problems, screenshot, send it down below, or maybe send it to the community. You'll find out people who will help you out. Look. Because you can run it anywhere. I'll show you how we can do that. I want you to go to your browser, open a new tab and type in Cloud Code Desktop. Once you have typed in, it will open up a link. Click on that link, the first link. Okay, it depends on what your link. So you come here to Cloud Code Docs. That is where I told you we were coming. And basically what you have to do here, you can do a lot of things from this place, because you can basically do a lot of things here. So let us scroll down. That is not important. Let's scroll down. As we are scrolling down, I want you to be very, very attentive, because Cloud Code, it's just a new thing and it is very, very destructive if you don't follow along very well, because many of my students have struggles, but I've already helped them out to. Okay, so you have to download it. So I want you to come here on the desktop on the link, because this is becoming hard to look for things. But if you are a developer, you already know how the links work. So you just clear this, clear, and then remain with a link like this. It is going to bring you into the product page automatically. That is how because it is much more complicated when you try to look at the Cloud Code documents, trying to read all the documents. The reason why you are here is because you want it to be done simply, to someone to explain it simply. So you can do this. What I want you to do is I want you to let's see what we are missing. I want you to come to platform. Not platform. Is it platform really? I want you to come to platform. Is it solutions? I don't know. Bear with me for a second. I'm running a lot of things, so there's a problem somewhere. Okay. So basically, let's head back. It's a beautiful day. We're here in the house. So subscribe down below as we move on. Don't worry. It's gonna work out. Don't worry. I got you. That is why I'm here. Who the fuck wants to read all the documentation? The fuck? So basically, you have to download the Cloud Code for PC. So what you can do is scroll down below, and I want you to look at this. Scroll down below, scroll. You'll see Cloud for desktop. That is the same link I told you to clear. The same link. So download Cloud for desktop. As you click it, it is going to open up another page, and it's going to bring up the download link here. You're going to see the file is starting to download, and basically that is how you're going to do it. I want you to click for Windows. Once you click it, the download is going to start. Once the download is completed, I want you to open it up. This is strictly if you are using Windows, and it is going to basically install it. Cloud Code. It's gonna take a while, but after it has finished downloading the Cloud Code main software, it is very easy to set up. But if you don't know how to set it up, comment down below how to set up Cloud Code, and I'll show you how to do it. So basically, have a lovely day. Peace out. I hope this was helpful. Maybe you learned something. And basically, don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to comment what you want to learn next. I know I'm kind of messy. I haven't really quite understood. I'm not really a professional. At making videos. I only know how to do this for myself. I'm learning how to do this and how to teach people how to do that. So basically, if you can bear with me and comment down below where you didn't understand, I will make a video on there and intimately try to explain everything. So this is for Kenyans, wale wa Kenya wao kwa job set of Cloud Code or what is Cloud Code. I want you to have a lovely time. Peace out.